If you're thinking about selling your house in 2026, stop. Before you spend thousands of dollars remodeling a kitchen, before you rip out cabinets or start painting the house, you need to hear this. Because I see sellers every single year spend serious money in the wrong places and then still give money away, a chunk of their equity away during negotiations. Not because their house wasn't nice, but because it didn't feel right. Today, I'm walking you through 7 cheap upgrades that can make your home look $20,000 more expensive. And I'm not giving you vague advice. I'm telling you exactly what to buy, what colors to use, and where to get it. Because small changes done strategically change buyer psychology, and psychology determines price. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Vallario. I've been selling real estate in Maryland for over 21 years, and over 2 decades of working with buyers and sellers every single day has taught me something very important. Real estate is psychology first. You can have granite countertops or beautiful quartz countertops. You can have a really nice backyard, but if buyers feel hesitation, you lose leverage. And once you lose leverage, you lose money. So today, let's talk about how to remove hesitation. Let's start with paint, and I hear this constantly. But Lily, we just painted the house, or it matches the curtains, or it matches our bedding. And I know, but when you're selling, this is no longer about matching your decor. It's about creating a clean, aspirational canvas. Buyers today are conditioned visually. They scroll Pinterest. They watch HGTV. They expect light. They expect warmth. They expect cohesion. And now here's where sellers get it wrong. If the paint leans too yellow, it photographs dated. If it leans too cool grayish, it already feels 2018. And yes, gray is fading. That cold bluish gray trend, buyers are over it. What works right now are soft, warm neutrals. The ones I constantly use are Greek Villa, Aesthetic White, and Accessible Beige from Sherwin-Williams. And for trims, I use, for the trim and the door and the ceilings, I recommend Pure White, also from Sherwin-Williams. Those tones feel elevated and they photograph beautifully. And here's the part people underestimate. If your house photographs dark online, you've already lost half of your buyers before they even show up. And if buyers walk in thinking they need to repaint, they mentally subtract. When they don't feel like they have to do anything or undo anything, they relax. And relaxed buyers negotiate less. That's not theory. That's 21 years of negotiating offers. Lighting is next. Switch your main living areas to 3000 Kelvin bulbs. That's a warm, soft light. It's not blue, it's not mixed, and don't do one room warm and then one room cool. Consistency matters big time. You can buy bulk packs on Amazon or even Home Depot for under 30 bucks. Now here's the psychology. Bright but warm light makes a warm feel inviting. Cool light feels commercial. If buyers feel like they're in an office building, they disconnect emotionally. And when emotion disconnects, offers get conservative. You want warmth. Warmth builds attachment. Attachment builds competition. Quick pause. If you're planning to sell in the next year or two, please help me out and subscribe. I post videos every week to protect your equity and help you avoid expensive mistakes. All right, let's get back to it. Number 3 are outlet covers and the thermostat. Walk through your house. Are your outlet covers ivory or slightly yellowed? If so, replace them. Amazon packs are around $15 to $20, and I know it sounds small, but here's what happens. Even if the house was built in the 70s or 80s, buyers don't automatically care about the year. They care about how it feels. Older homes can feel charming, but worn details remind them, oh, this is old. Maybe we should look at newer homes. Instead of, I love this older home. It has so much character. That's the shift. When small details feel crisp and updated, the narrative changes to, this is an older home, but it's been well maintained. And that's powerful. Character is super charming. Neglect is expensive. If your thermostat looks outdated, swap it for something simple like a Nest thermostat. They're around $100 to $150 on Amazon. And it's not about the thermostat. It's about the signal that the house gives to the buyer. Signals build confidence, and confidence protects price. Number 4 is the front door plus the hardware. Your front door sets the emotional tone before buyers even step inside. Fresh paint plus matte black hardware instantly feels intentional. Matte black handle sets are about $100 online. And for 2026, the great door colors are deep navy, muted forest green, charcoal, and urban bronze. These feel modern without screaming trend. A front entry should look designed, not random. And here's what most sellers don't realize. The first 30 seconds shape buyers' perception of value. If they walk in impressed, everything else gets judged more generously. But if they walk in uncertain, everything gets picked apart. Number 5 are the interior door hardware. If you still have shiny brass knobs from the 90s, swap them all out. Buy bulk matte black sets online. You can get them on at Home Depot as well, or Lowe's, but online you can find them for under $20 per door. Because when everything matches, the home feels cohesive, and cohesive feels intentional, and intentional feels updated, and updated protects your price. See, buyers don't consciously say this. They feel it, and feelings drive offers. Number 6 is flooring. If you have hardwood under the carpet, pull the carpet out and refinish the floors. If not, and the carpet is worn, consider LVP instead of replacing it with new carpet. Buyers calculate flooring costs instantly. They walk in and think, how much will this cost to change? If they calculate too much, their offer drops. And believe me, they usually calculate too much. But if you can't afford to update it, that's fine. Just price strategically. But don't expect premium pricing with tired floors. Buyers are not fooled. Number 7 is the emotional finish. This ties everything together. This is the one sellers underestimate. You paint, you change hardware, you update the lighting, and then there are colorful beach towels in the bathroom, a superhero comforter in one of the bedrooms, another pattern throw from 2012 in another bedroom, and the house doesn't feel elevated. For the bedrooms, buy neutral quilt sets. Velvet or textured ones photograph beautifully, and you can find really nice ones on Amazon for under $100. I'll share the link in the description box below. And for the bathrooms, just buy new white towels and white shower curtains too. You can find these at any home goods store, or even also on Amazon online. And yes, you might spend $300 to $400 total, but you get to take it when you sell your home. I promise you, this is not wasted money. This is emotional staging. If the house feels intentionally styled, buyers feel like they're walking into something elevated. If it feels random, they feel like they're walking into someone else's life. And buyers pay more for elevated. That's not design advice. That's psychology. If I missed another low-cost update that you've seen work in your market, tell me in the comments below. You do not need a massive renovation. You need to remove hesitation. That's it. If you're in Maryland, reach out. I'd love to meet with you personally. We'll walk through your house together. I will tell you exactly what matters, and I will also tell you what to fix and what not to waste money on, because positioning is everything in this market. And if you're watching from outside of Maryland, I still want you to reach out. I have a network of top performing agents across the country, people I know, people I trust, and people who understand strategy. I will personally connect you, not a random referral, not some website assignment, a real introduction to someone who knows how to position homes correctly in today's market. There is no cost to you, just smart strategy from the start. Fill out the form below. Find an agent, and I will reach out. And if you want a full breakdown of everything we talked about, download my free pre-listing fixes checklist in the description box below. Because strategy before spending protects your equity. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.